Friends, we are going to start chapter 8, class 8, cell structure and function. What is a cell? Cell is a basic structural unit in all living organisms. Cell may be compared to bricks. Bricks are assembled to make a building. Similarly, cells are assembled to make the body of every organism. The cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. This structure is showing cork cell as observed by Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered the structure of cell in a bark of a plant cell. Cell may be compared to bricks. Bricks are assembled in a proper way to make a building. Similarly, cells are assembled to make the body of every organism. There are millions of living organisms. They are of different shape and size. An organism with billions of cells begin life as a single cell, which is a fertilized egg. The fertilized egg cell multiplies and the number of cells increase as development process. So, cell is called the basic structural unit of living organism. According to the number of a cell, organisms are divided into two types: multicellular organism and unicellular organism. Multicellular means organism made of more than one cell are called multicellular organism. Multi means many, cellular means cell. What are unicellular organism? The single-celled organism are called unicellular. Example: amoeba, paramecium, etc. Uni means one, cellular means cell. These both of diagrams showing unicellular organism. It's a amoeba, it's a paramecium. In amoeba, observe the projection of varying length protruding out of its body. These are called pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means feet. These structures are pseudopodia in amoeba. The shape of amoeba is irregular. The shapes of cells in different organisms are different. This diagram is spherical red blood cells. This diagram show spindle-shaped muscle cells. This diagram show long branched nerve cell. What is a nerve cell? The nerve cell receive and transfer messages, thereby helping to control and coordinate the working of different parts of the body. Size of cell. The smallest cell is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer in bacteria. The largest cell measuring 170 mm into 130 mm is the egg of an ostrich. What is tissue? A tissue is a group of similar cells performing a specific function. Parts of the cell. Mainly there are three parts of the cell: cell membrane, second one is cytoplasm, and next one is nucleus. What is a cell membrane? The boundary of the cell is called cell membrane. What is cytoplasm? The jelly-like substances between the nucleus and the cell membrane is called cytoplasm. Various other components or organelles of cell are present in the cytoplasm. These organelles are mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosome, etc. What is nucleus? It is an important component of the living cell. It is generally spherical and located in the center of the cell. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a membrane called the nuclear membrane. A smaller spherical body in the nucleus is called nucleolus. Nucleus contains thread-like structure called chromosome. These carry genes and help in inheritance or transfer of characters from the parents to the offspring. We find here a new term, gene. What are genes? Gene is a unit of inheritance in living organism. It controls the transfer of a hereditary characteristic from parents to offspring. This means that your parents passes some of their characteristics on to you. If your father has brown eyes, you may also have brown eyes. If your mother has curly hair, you might also end up having curly hair. However, the different combination of genes from parents result in different characteristics. Nucleus is not same in all organisms. According presence of nucleus, types of nucleus, the organisms are two types, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. What are eukaryotes? Cell having well organized nucleus with a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotic cells. All organisms other than bacteria and blue-green algae are called eukaryotes. Eu means true, karyon means nucleus. It means those organisms has true nucleus and well-developed nucleus are called eukaryotes. What are prokaryotes? The cell having nuclear material without nuclear membrane are termed prokaryotic cells. The organisms with these kinds of cells are called prokaryotes. Example, bacteria and blue-green algae. Pro means primitives, karyon means nucleus. It means those organisms has primitive type or less developed nucleus are called prokaryotes. This diagram is showing human chick cell. In it, it's a cell, outer layer, outer membrane is called cell membrane. In the center, nucleus is present. Between the nuclear membrane and cell membrane, cytoplasm is present. In a cytoplasm, the cell organelles are present. These diagrams are, it's a animal cell, it's a plant cell. In the outer boundary of the is called cell membrane. Its outer boundary is called the cell wall. Cell wall is absent in an animal cell. In the center, nucleus is present in an animal cell, but in a plant cell, it is found as periphery. Means from it not is found in the center. In the plant cell, uh, it's a vacuole. Vacuole is a single number and large in size. But in a animal cell, it is a small in size or either absent or none or less in number. Chloroplast is present in a plant cell, but it is absent in an animal cell. Chloroplasts are the green colored plastid. They contain chlorophyll, which synthesize food in plants by the process of photosynthesis. They are not found in the animal cell. They provide green color to the leaves. Hence, chloroplasts are found in only in plant cell. So, this chapter is completed. Stay home and stay safe.